Let's see how to arrive at a selling price. Let's say that you are a trader and you have bought something for rupees 37.5. So in other terms, this is your cost price. Now in your mind you are thinking that I want to make a profit of 12%. So you're trying to get a profit of 12%. So to get a profit of 12%, how much should you sell this item for? Now we know that profit is expressed in terms of the cost price. So you want to make a profit of 12%, which means 12% of 37.5. So your selling price will be equal to your cost price plus 12% of your cost price, which is equal to 37.5 plus 12 divided by 100, because it is in terms of percent, multiplied by the cost price, which is 37.5. So this expression here means 12% of the cost price. So this is equal to, now we have a plus sign in between, so from this we can take 37.5 as common, and this will become 1 plus 12 by 100. So this is equal to 37.5 into bracket 1 plus 12 divided by 100. So we can put 2 decimals. So 0.12, which is equal to 37.5 multiplied by 1.12. So let's calculate 37.5 multiplied by 1.12. So this is equal to 42. So this is our selling price. So to make a profit of 12% on a cost price of 37.5 rupees, you will sell the article or the item for 42 rupees. Now a very quick way of calculating this, if you have a calculator in front of you and you know that the cost price is 37.5 and you want to make a profit of 12% on it, then what you do is you take 37.5 and multiply it by 1.12. So what this means is 1 times 37.5 plus 0.12 times 37.5. So this will give you 42, which is your selling price. So here we calculated the selling price based on profit and cost price. Now let's take another example. Let's say you are having a discussion with a friend of yours who deals in shares and stocks. Now he says that he bought shares for rupees 75. So in other terms, this is his cost price, and due to some urgent requirement of money, he had to sell at a loss of 12%. So his loss is 12%. Now you are trying to figure out in your mind as to what is the price at which he has sold the stock. Now we know that the profit or loss percent is always expressed in terms of the cost price. So the selling price will be equal to 75, which is the cost price, minus, because he made a loss, so definitely his selling price is lesser than his cost price. 12% of the cost price. So this is equal to 75 minus 12 by 100 multiplied by the cost price, which is 75. So basically this expression is to find out 12% of 75. So this is equal to 75 minus 0.12 multiplied by 75, which is equal to, let's take 75 as common, so 1 minus 0.12, this is equal to 75 multiplied by 1 minus 0.12, which is 0.88. So here we have to calculate 75 multiplied by 0.88. So 75 multiplied by 0.88 equals to 66. So selling price is equal to 66 rupees. So here the cost price was 75 rupees and at a loss of 12%, so the selling price is 66 rupees. Now if we have to calculate this real quick, we know the cost price and we know the loss percentage. So what we can do is we can take the cost price, let's say this is 75, and multiply this by 1 minus 0.12, which is 1 minus 0.12, which is 75 multiplied by 0.88, which will be 66 rupees. So if you note here, we multiplied the cost price with 1 plus 0.12, because here we were getting a profit, whereas in the second example we are multiplying cost price with 1 minus the loss percentage, because we are incurring a loss here.